Ready?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a special guest. What's her name?
Gracelyn.
Okay, so since we have this box, I'm not making bracelets. We are going to be reviewing sand, and she's going to be reviewing it first. So take it out. Is it squishable?
Yeah, a little bit.
Is there like stuff on your hands? Let me see your hands. Yeah.
You can make a little puppy out of it with the lid or whatever it's called.
It feels good when you
Yeah, and then
dies.
You can just push it around and have fun with it.
Yeah. So put it back in.
Okay.
Oh crap! Is there any on my bag?
No.
Okay, good.
Oh, I don't see it.
I'm gassy. I'm really gassy right now. Okay, so now I'm going to do the marshmallow one. She had the bubblegum one, but I'm going to be handing the camera off to her. So keep the camera on. Okay. Not that. Okay. Maybe not. Okay. So, like I said, God. Sorry. Like I said, I'm going to be reviewing. Can you give me it?
Why?
The marshmallow one. She had the bubblegum one, and on this there's a little rooster.
A chicken.
It's a rooster. It's a rooster. Look at it. Oh my God.
Oh, it is a rooster.
Yeah. So it feels pretty good. It's kind of dry. It's supposed to be burnt marshmallows. So, it smells horrible. Wait, it says it's supposed to be scented. So hold up, let me smell it. You guys smell it? Let me smell it. Yeah, it smells horrible, like I thought. You smell it. Yeah. Yeah. It's disgusting, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so later we're gonna make another video, and like we're just gonna be playing
with fidget.
No, we're gonna do an ASMR later with fidgets. Okay, but yeah, that's our special guest, and oh God, she is one of my friends. No, I'm not. No. And her and my mom, her mom, her friend. Look at that rooster, bro. So then we're gonna put it back in its container. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Don't fall. Gosh. Get in there.
Okay, so now she is going to be reviewing the mint chip ice cream. Yeah, it's called mint chip ice cream.
Okay. Let me turn around. Okay, there it goes. All right.
Let me smell it. Okay, so it smells pretty good, actually.
Not really.
Well, the first sniff is actually like pretty horrible, but then you kind of get the mint.
Yeah, kind of, you know. Okay, so we have a teddy bear.
Hold up. You can see her finger marks, so we have to smooth that out.
So we got a teddy bear. Teddy bear.
Let me see the dang teddy bear. Okay. That's a beautiful teddy bear.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on. We're gonna smush. Okay, you can see the
that, bro.
Hey, wait, you can see the teddy bear. Alright, and she didn't ruin it.
My hand. So it has a lot of residue to it, but it still feels nice. Yeah.
Okay, put it back. We're gonna put it back. Alrighty.
And then I'm gonna be reviewing the. Oh gosh, can you put that? Oh,
What
put
color does it go to?
that one. Okay, so now I'm gonna be reviewing the chocolate bar. That does not look like brown at all. Does that look like brown?
No. Not really.
And then we're gonna be making a doggy.
Oh, like this one, the pink one.
So smack it. Oh.
What?
This feels like.
Let's smell it.
This. Oh, smell it. You guys smell it. This one is the worst one. This one is the worst one. They did not even try to put a scent on it. I'm sorry. They did not even try to put a scent on it.
You put pink and green in it.
So yeah. It's pretty good, and now I'm going to
Make a puppy.
make a puppy, bro. That sounds like a trying to poop. Hey,
Oh, that's gonna ruin it.
I'm the smush master. So look at the dog. Pretty good squishes. There's a little bit of residue. The smell is horrible, and the take on it is like, bro, it doesn't even have a good scent to
It
it.
doesn't even have chocolate in it.
Yeah, bro. So yeah, and then
just
in
gonna-
2 minutes we're gonna do an ASMR, bro.
What's that?
I mean, like a couple minutes. I have to teach this girl ASMR. Hold up.
Let me see. Let me see the video. Yeah, let's see.
Bye, guys.